Welcome back to another episode of Cooking with David in the Kitchen. Today I'd like to show you how I made this nice good cinnamon twist. Very delicious, easy to make. Follow along with me and I will show you how I made it. Okay, I want 2 tablespoons of butter. And I'm going to pop this into the microwave because I'm going to melt it. I'll come right back. Okay, this is butter extremely hot. We're going to add 1 cup of milk to it. 2 tablespoons of sugar. And we're going to stir this completely. Okay, we're going to have 1 egg. We're going to mix it very well. Okay, next we're going to add 1 package of yeast. We're going to let this set for 5 minutes. First, we're going to stir this very well. Okay, we're going to add in 3 cups of flour. I'm just going to add all 3. I want half a teaspoon of salt. Or yeast. Wet ingredients. And now we're going to blend this together. Lock this in place. We'll come back in a moment and get this done. We're just going to form a ball here. Okay, we're going to let this rise in here. We're going to put a saran wrap on this. It's a nice good saran wrap. This is the first time letting it rise up. And we're just going to take this off for a minute. We're going to punch this down, the air out of it. I'm going to sprinkle a little bit down here. That'll be a pull. Now we're going to take a knife and we're going to cut down the center of this. And we're gonna, okay, after you get them all rolled up, you're gonna put them into a ball, saran wrap around them again. We'll come back in a few moments. Show you one more time. You're gonna pull this way. At the same time, you pull this back. See how the crinkles get like that? You want to do as much as you can because it's very important that you get a lot. Takes a few times to get the hang of it, but okay, see how I got this twisted around? Now he's going to twist it. Take a small paper bag like this, and you're going to put a half a tablespoon of cinnamon in, and then on top of that, we're going to put 3 tablespoons of sugar, and we're just going to shake this very well together so it gets mixed in together each other. Okay, I got my heat on and I'm going to let it reach 350, what you want to do, and when it reaches that, turn your heat down to medium. Okay, we're going to start off with this one. Put that in there, let it go. Put this in there. Let him go. Okay, we're going to twist this around so it don't burn on that side. This one outside too. Oh yeah, it's turned out real good. Okay, now what you want to do, you want to put your into the sack full of cinnamon. You want to put 2 tablespoons of sugar or cinnamon and 3 tablespoons of sugar. And you're going to shake this all about until it gets all coated over. And now take a look at that. And if some of them didn't get coated enough, you can always put it back in the sack and do it all over again. We'll come back in a few moments. Take a look at that. We're going to do just a taste test on that. We're gonna grab this one right here. Look at that. Look at the cinnamon on that. Mmm. Oh my god, this is delicious. Mmm. So delicious and fluffy. Anyways, I want to thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you do subscribe to my channel, hit that bell so you don't miss another episode of my videos. And y'all stay tuned for the next video.